now,
Right.
when they developed, let's take one of the succeeded campaign in 2021 and 2022, the job searching campaigns. A lot of threat actors worldwide do it. They call people, they send messages on LinkedIn for legitimate users, not before they build really reliable profile. They put some profile photo, and in some cases, if they want to get to your alert, they would invite all your friends first, all your first and second cycle as a friend to make a connection on LinkedIn. After they
Right.
gain the reliability that they need and make sure that they look very, very, very authentic, they reach out to you. And they said,
Right.
I am HR for a company named Boeing, for example, true story that happened by a threat actor from North Korea. So
Wow.
they reach to people and say, hey, I'm a recruiter from Boeing. I want to start to start the process to have with position that it fits for you the most. Let's talk about it. So at first they moved to talk on phone. So after LinkedIn, they moved to another platform, which is phone number. They talk on WhatsApp. The people that talked with them, the victims or the targets, depends on how you want to look at it. They talk with them for a long days. So it was around between, if I remember correctly, between 7 to 12 days per a candidate per target. After they convince the target that they are the real thing, they send them some example about the position. So what are the requirements of the position? And they sent it via file. They learned when they speak with the victim, they learned the routine of the victim. They learn when this victim is at work and when this victim is at home. So it was
Wow.
really, really, really successful because they need to, when we work remotely, the attacker need to make sure that we are at the office and not at home. After that, they send
Right.
a
Right.
legitimate file, truly legitimate file with some details about the position, and
Uh-huh.
they told, and then when the victim would open this document, he would get one page with details about the position and two blank pages. The victim that want to read about the position would reach out to the attacker and say, hey, I can't see it, I have two blank pages. Only then, after all this long process, the attacker would send a file, executable file, software, basically, for the non-technical people that listen to us, and make them, please open this specific PDF file with the software that I gave you. When they would
Wow.
open it, it's just they would
It's
get
done.
infected. This is
Wow.
very, very, very sophisticated.